rack it up. I got a bit of the bank to make me a safe house. Shake it up, she got her hands on her knees and she bringing the cake out. Smoke it up, I got some gas, some packs, I'm up in the greenhouse. Ball it up, I'm with the gang, we taking shots off the rebound. Look at my posters, say now, I've been humble too long, yeah. Tell them I'ma stay calm, yeah. Tell them
What up, Team Buckhouse? We're back at Eldora because they have the sickest park in Colorado right now. And not only do they have the sickest park and the sickest lapping system right now, but they just rebuilt the entire park and it looks insane, super fun. The small baby right side looks like they just ramped it up a bunch and they put a bunch of cool rails in there, new jumps, and like, we're gonna have the sickest day. We got Cody with us, and the man behind the camera is the ski doc, and he's got the microphone because he's the best singer on the mountain.
What's up?
Let's go! There are so many new features and so much to do in there. It's a little firm, so hopefully it warms up, and man, we're gonna have a good day. So let's do it again. Hot laps. Don't waste your time on me. You're already the voice inside my head. That's so scary. Dude, Cody, this park,
So sick.
they changed up like all of it.
It's a whole new park.
And Ski Doc's here, so you get to rip a little bit more, which is huge. And so, yeah, guys, we're stoked. So let's keep sending it. Doing the work.
Yo, look at this, dude. Look, right here. The subscribe button.
It's the subscribe button. I didn't tell him to do that either. He did that all on his own. So Michael had this cool idea to have Cody film me with the phone. So he like double filmed that run, and we're gonna post it on my TikTok. So if you're not following my TikTok, check it out, or the Instagram, I might post it there too. But we love posting bonus extra like behind the scenes clips on like those platforms. So follow Instagram, follow TikTok for bonus extra content. And
Yeah, it's looking good. You'll see it on TikTok.
yeah, if you're on TikTok, you can see it. I can't keep my pants up though, man. Let's take a second and give the Lifties at Eldora some love. I'm not gonna lie, I've never seen a crew of Lifties work harder and have a better chairlift maze slash like ramps and stuff. These guys are always scraping or bumping, or they're just working, and not at every ski resort, or normally Lifties are not working. So Eldora, you got insane Lifties, your park is insane. This park is also insane. It's almost the same as today's sticker shout out. We got Nikora Bushka with the White Evolution sticker on the snowboard, looking insane, man. As well as we got Jibba _ 2.0 with the White Evolution sticker on the snowboard, also looking insane. Guys, thank you so much for snagging Evolution stickers. If you want an Evolution sticker, or if you're a skier and want an Evolution sticker, we do have a ski version of it. They're all linked in the description if you do snag any of the merch. Make sure you just tag me on my Instagram, and I'll give you guys gear and sticker shout outs. But also don't forget forget, we have the new windbreakers that are available, black, white lettering, and gold with blue, or blue with gold lettering. All of the merch, guys, is linked in the description. And with that plug out of the way, hopefully this sun, because it is a nice day, melts this park a little bit. So it's on the windier side, so I don't know how much melted it's gonna get, but the jump takeoffs are like ice sheets, even on the rails. So it's kind of like, and then you get on the rail and you're like, oh, that's nice. And then you land. It's not, the landings aren't too icy. It's more just the kickers. All right, here we go. Maybe.
I'm okay. Yes, no. I'm emo.
It's a bummer because the park is so good. Just everything is so icy because it's been getting so warm. We're here early right now. We normally ride early in December. So I don't think we'll be here for when the lips are all super potato-y and whatnot. So, well.
Early board gets the ice.
Yeah. I left my glove on the lift. I've actually never done this. It's on chairlift number 10.
I see it.
I think it has a good chance of making it to the bottom. But
It's just gonna keep going around and around.
we definitely can beat chairlift 10 down. We just gotta wait for it. I don't have dangles on my gloves, and yeah, see, I don't got my dangles, and now my gloves going for a ride. Hopefully, once again, it makes it to the bottom. It gets windy. We could do a run without gloves though. Need to get my glove. It's on chairlift number 10. I want to make sure it's still there. It doesn't fall into the rock. It fell off the chairlift, so it's somewhere it's somewhere between this pole and one of those poles. We'll find it. I had a feeling the wind was going to blow it off.
Mystery of the traveling glove.
We'll find it the next chairlift ride. Cody, it fell off the chair. Dude, I love their waterfall rail. It's so fun. It's like da, 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 da.
Who do you think is gonna find it first, Ski Doc or Johnathan?
I'm gonna find it first.
Comment below.
Comment below. Michael's a vlogger now. All right, where is this thing? I think it's gonna be a little higher.
No.
Oh, where is my glove? Oh, where is my glove at?
Oh, where?
It's honestly,
my glove at?
It's so warm you don't even need gloves today.
I know. I feel like I'm elk hunting or something. I'm really looking.
Like you're really into this.
Yeah.
And it was like teetering being on the chair.
There it is! There's the glove!
Really?
That's it.
Oh, it's like right. How did it get that far?
Yeah.
It's like right by the rope. If I would have just chilled.
I found it first.
If I would have just chilled for a second, we could have got it that last run. You did get it. Good job, dude.
Yes! There's 2 gloves to get!
Who brought this guy?
Let's make it 3!
Well, we're getting gloves this run. It's down there. Go right here. Like, the top of the chair is right there. I would have just waited. Did you get your gloves?
I found my gloves.
I hope they don't pull my pass. Yeah, guys, I've mentioned it in many videos. Get glove dangles. I don't have them on this set of gloves, but I'm gonna get them now.
Found both mine.
Let's go!
That's sick. That's sick.
I'm going.
Oh, I got it.
Yeah. Who brought this guy?
Oh! Almost had it.
You almost had it.
I wanted it.
Oh! Let's go! That was so sick! We just went viral on TikTok. There's no way we did it.
Feeling it.
That's scary. Did you know my goggles are available, by the way? They're linked in the description.
That looks high. Uh-oh.
Gotta let the ski family get through first. Come on, Timmy, hit the side of that kicker. It's fine. Let's do a really cool trick. Go slow on this rail. I'm gonna do a cool trick on it. Not hit this one. Hit this one. It's so poppy. I'm gonna jump over this guy. I slowed down and that was the bad move.
Yeah, I should have kept going faster.
Right, we got. Oh.
We gotta go faster, dude.
What is happening? Tell you what, it's super hard if you don't make anything. Oh. Chilling in the landing. There's just so many fun features in this park. Box to rail. I will say the only downside to Eldora is it's one of the only places that has an insane amount of beginner skiers in their park. Like an insane amount. It's pretty dangerous. Like this one fell into a tree right now. But like why? That's like one of the heaviest features out there. Why are you even near it?
Why you do that?
It's okay. It's just dangerous for them. That's what I'm nervous about. That waterfall rail though. Snowboarding backwards. How is he doing this?
Watch out!
I told myself I wasn't gonna hit this rail. Oh. That's why. It's so sketchy. I saw my life flash before my eyes. Gotta wait for Timmy, Tammy, and Jessica to get out of the way.
Hi, Timmy, Tammy, Jessica.
Alright, this is scary.
Woo! We gotta be ahead of it.
Yeah, 55.
It's all that TikToking.
I did it again. I was actually emailing a business. Don't work and snowboard, just snowboard. Okay, so it's pretty ridiculous that I dropped my glove. I never do it, but Bobby told me that I have to leave the mountain. Something's happening. I gotta go home. This has happened a couple of times in our life of the channel where the wife's like, get home, and you know what? We gotta drop everything, get home. Well, I dropped my glove. All right, here we go. Chipmunk, let's kill this. All right, that's Chipmunk. We out of here.
And we out. Snowboarding feels so good sometimes.
All right, when the wife says come home, the wife says come home. We are out of here. Team guys, thank you so much for shredding. If you're new, subscribe, like, share, as always. Thank you so much for shredding with me today, and as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving. We'll see you guys tomorrow with another video, because it's daily on this channel. Go!